Welcome! Today we're diving into how to delete your Roblox account with the latest updates. If you've decided it's time to say goodbye to Roblox, follow these simple steps. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner. Tap on them to access the menu, then select Settings. Now tap on Privacy. Here you'll need to scroll down until you find Account Deactivation and Deletion. Next to Initiate Account Deletion, just tap Initiate. After that, you'll need to navigate to the Roblox Support page. Once you're there, click on the Support form link. In the form, fill in your Roblox username, email address, and any other required information. Remember to select your device type, which is Android in this case. Next, you'll choose the Data Privacy Request category and then the Right to be Forgotten subcategory. In the description box, explain that you want to delete your Roblox account. Finally, submit the form and wait for the Roblox support team to process your request. Keep in mind, this might take a few days. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.